Sun's out, waves are huge. Sniffing Hemos is making a movie. Giant waves. Upper Niagara River. Gonna get splashed right now. Watch this one. Giant. Upper Niagara River, 60-mile-an-hour wind. You can't even see Sniffing Hemos, and you know what he's like. He's a monster. Watch this, giant wave. Maybe not. Here we go. Lake Erie, Upper Niagara, the break wall.
I'm not cold.
Are you cold?
Oh, I'm not cold.
What do you say?
I'm not cold.
I'm not cold. Here we go, big waves. These things are just crashing today. Upper Niagara River, Lake Erie, Old Fort Erie, Buffalo, New York, the Peace Bridge. Nice place to take a walk, take a picture. Come here in the summer, go fishing. There's lots of fish. It's pretty dirty right now though. A little bit of sun, giant waves. Good luck. Go fishing.